Santiago! Today we will make a special program. First of all, we are gonna prepare a rich Brazilian dessert called
Cocobeio.
or kisses of coconut. Brazil is a beautiful place with beautiful places like Rio de Janeiro. Now we're gonna go with all the specialist cookers.
Yeah. 1 can of sweetened milk, 1 tablespoon of butter, a quarter cup of chilled coconuts, for almonds. Heat the milk until you realize single boil.
Cooking and stirring frequently until the milk is ready. Once included the butter. About 20 minutes. Cooking and stirring the milk until it's ready with the butter included. About 20 minutes. Remove from heat and incorporate the coconut sugar, the quarter. Stir well and allow to cool completely around 2 hours. Put the butter in the bowl for the mix don't stick in the bowl. Oh, it looks very delicious. This is one of my favorite desserts from Brazil, my country. Once we make this, we put them to get cold and then we put that on the refrigerator.
And now we put butter in our hands.
What?
Oh.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. You baby. And make the make balls with the
They look so pretty.
Wow. Ew.
Now decorate the balls. It's delicious, no?
Natalie.
Cierra la cara, no se enferma.
I think that you're ready.
Now this is our option of decorate. So delicious.
Yeah.
Fantastic.